out here whacking some weeds. I'm really sorry. This is the only chance that I had to film this video, and of course it would be whenever someone's out here doing yard work. Hello everyone and welcome to today's video. My name is Kenzie. If you did not know that, now you know. And you guys, today we are doing my very first ever, I'm super excited, we are doing a Princess Polly haul. That is right, you guys. I've got 2 bags right here to do the haul on, but we are going to be doing a try on haul of all these things. And if you're new to this channel, then hello, I'm so happy to have you. Don't forget you can click the subscribe button to become part of this weird awesome makeup family. And I'll have my Instagram linked right up here and in the description for you if you'd like to go follow me and check it out. I would really appreciate it. Thank you so much in advance. I am obsessed with Instagram and I love it so much. So thank you so much. Even if you just check it out, I really appreciate it. I think I'm gonna let's start with the little bag first, because I will say I have already taken some of the stuff out of here, like out of like the bags and stuff. I haven't tried them on or worn them or anything like that, but I have like taken them out of their like little cellophane bags because I feel like that just is a lot of noise. I got these adorable little biker shorts. They kind of look like men's boxers, which is kind of cute. They have like the front bit that kind of reminds me of boxers, but they say Sublime on it right here, and it's super cute. They're just meant to be like lounge shorts, biker shorts, and yeah, they're really cute. I got mine in a size, still got the tag on it and everything, small. Wow, really? Yeah. Okay, well I got them in a small because on the website I feel like they said that they run a little big, so I did get them in a small, so we shall see. I really hope these fit. I'm kind of scared now, but let's go ahead to the try on portion and I'll let you know what I think about these. Alright you guys, these are the biker shorts. Now I have to say, these are great. These are such a win in my opinion. They fit really snugly. I will say they're not tight at all. I'm just wearing this with my little black bandeau, and they're not tight. They're just like perfect around like the butt, the legs. Is that better? I feel like I was extremely washed out. It got really bright outside. Anyways, I did get these in a small, which I would normally get a medium and stuff like this, but I would say they run a little large. So these ones fit great. They're super comfortable and I like them. I like them a lot. And next up, I only got 2 things in this little bag because I actually placed 2 orders. I ordered some stuff and then I saw 2 other things on there that I liked a lot and I went ahead and ordered those too. So I did place 2 orders. So this is the last thing in this first order, but I got a pair of little running shorts. I wanted some black ones like this because they look so freaking cute. And I will say the quality on this is actually pretty good so far. I don't know if Princess Polly, like I feel like there are some online boutiques that are like legit, you know, like a White Fox boutique. I feel like they're like a legit clothing store. But you know, you have like the some of the shops that are kind of just like very fast fashion. They're very always having sales, you know, 50% off, 90% off, but the quality isn't usually the best. It's not very good. I will say I don't actually know where Princess Polly lands on that spectrum. They could be like a legit brand because these do feel pretty good. They don't feel like swimsuit material. They don't feel like spandex. They feel, well, maybe it is spandex. I don't actually know, but it doesn't feel bad or anything like that. It feels pretty, like, you know, it feels pretty good, and it has pockets, which I'm so happy about. But these are just some cute little high-waisted, like little cycling shorts or running shorts or basically lounge shorts for moi because I don't really work out that much. But yeah, these are really cute and I got these in a size 6, like American 6. Yeah, so I got them in a size 6. Usually pretty much everything I get in a size 6 unless I get it in a size 4 or between like a 4 and a 6. But yeah, these are really cute. So let's go ahead and try these on and I'll let you know what I think about them. Alright, and here are the second little pairs of shorts. These are the cute little running shorts, the black ones. Again, I think the quality on these is really good. The tie on these is very long. I don't really know why it's that long, but these do look super cute. I love the fact that they're high-waisted. I really like them. The quality is really good. I don't feel like they're super thin or uncomfortable or scratchy in any way. No, the quality's here. I'm liking it, and
It looks nice.
That's the last thing in this first bag. Here is the other bag, and as you can see, it has loads of stuff in here. I don't know why I took the cellophane off of the stuff in this bag, but not this big bag. I have no idea. Oh my god, okay. So this right here is a dress. It's like, you know, I don't wear dresses, but it's more kind of like a t-shirt dress than it is a dress. But I'm obsessed with this print. Look at how cute. It is like literally like a galaxy, sun, moon, black. It's adorable. Could you picture this with like some combat boots or something, maybe even like tights? Or like for me, I'd probably wear like those Sublime biker shorts because they are pretty short, so they would go great underneath something like this. And then again, like some black combat boots would be so cool, like Doc Martens. So hopefully this fits more like a shirt and not a dress because I don't really wear dresses. I don't know. I'm kind of weird when it comes to dresses. I haven't worn a dress since I was like 12, and it's because my parents or my mom made me wear a dress, but like I'm not into it. They look so cute on other people. I don't know what it is. It's like irrational. I have no idea what it is, but every time I wear a dress, I feel like weird. But anyways, this is adorable, and you know, literally anything that has like sun and moons, I was gonna say rainbows, but not rainbows, but suns and moons and stars and everything on it, I'm so down. Now this right here does feel a bit more thin. Weirdly enough, it doesn't really even feel like a t-shirt fabric, and it doesn't, I don't know what dress fabric feels like, but like this is pretty thin. I don't think it's gonna be see-through, but it's not like thick or anything, so hopefully hopefully the quality isn't super bad, and hopefully it doesn't like itch. But let's try this on and I'll tell you what I think.
Okay, and here is that third piece. This is the kind of dress, t-shirt dress right here, and I have to say, you guys, I'm actually really disappointed in this. It feels like a nightgown. Like a very thin, it feels like paper. I don't know. It's not the best quality in my opinion. It's not itchy or scratchy or anything. I love the print, which makes me sad. I'm wearing those biker shorts underneath. I love the print like so much, and it makes me super sad, but it is so loose and it gives you no shape. And I know, again, these dresses aren't supposed to give you shape, but I feel like I'm going to bed instead of like, if I had some black combat boots, it'd be really cute, but I don't know, I don't care for this one as much. I feel like, I don't know. What do you guys think? I'm really torn on this because I can't really tell if I feel like it just looks like a sack. Like it just looks like a piece of fabric that goes, like, I don't know. And this one's gonna be a no from me, I think, which makes me so sad because I genuinely loved this fabric, so not the fabric, but I love the print so much. That really does make me sad.
Okay, this right here I'm super excited about. This is a sweater. I feel like I'm the queen of sweaters half the time, and let me tell you, this was the last one they had in stock. In this isn't a small medium. I believe this is the last one they had in this size, because I think that the medium large or large, extra large, whatever it was, I think that was already sold out. And it literally, when I had it when I looked at it, it said only one left, hurry. And you know how I said before, if someone says there's only one left, or like buy now, trending or something like that, I'm more than likely gonna buy it because I'm like,
oh, that must be a really great item for it to be almost sold out.
So here it is. But I did like it. If I didn't like it, I still wouldn't have bought it. But this is such a cute little cropped sweater. I love the colors. I love the white, the kind of rosy color, the brown, and the black at the bottom. I think it's so cute. This feels like a sweater. It doesn't feel like cheap or anything like that. I did get this in a small medium again, but this just feels so adorable. Like imagine pairing this just with some, you know, just some boots. I can try it with like my Michael Kors boots and some jeans, tuck it in a little bit. I don't know if this is long enough to tuck in, but we'll see. But it's adorable. So I will go ahead and try this on for you. I gotta style it and everything, but then I'll try it on.
All right, and here is that cute little sweater. This like literally screams fall time. As I'm filming this, it is September 1st. and I don't understand how it's September 1st, like literally at all. I don't get it. I legit feel like it should be March right now. I don't understand, but it is September 1st, and this sweater screams fall. It is a little bit cropped, but not super cropped. I feel like you still could tuck it into some pants if you wanted to. I'm not as in love with this sweater as I thought that I would be. I don't know what it is. Maybe it's like the combination as to like maybe I can roll them up a little bit like that. See, now I like it even better when the sleeves are up a little bit. I don't know, maybe it's the way that it hits or falls or something, but it is cute. But I feel like I have other sweaters and cardigans that look better, but maybe it's because I am wearing black shorts and this end part right here is black, so maybe that's throwing me off a little. I'll try it with some other pants and see, but right now it's pretty good. I don't know if it's a win, but it's definitely not terrible.
Okay, so this right here is a bucket hat. I didn't get this for any particular reason. It's just that I feel like literally everyone and their mom has been saying how adorable bucket hats are and how everyone looks so cute. So I wanted to get one. This one again was super cute. I thought it has the little frills at the end, and I can probably just try this one on for you right now as long as I don't get makeup all over it. I look like a little scarecrow. You know what? I don't know. I'm not really much of a hat person. How do you wear bucket hats? Like that? I don't know. Visco girls teach me. It looks super cute, and I feel like it really would help to keep like the sun out of your eyes or something, but I honestly don't know if it's my style. I don't know if I wore it down like this. That just seems like it's too far down now, and I don't know what to do. And plus my bangs get all messed up. I don't know, but I don't know about that. I don't know how I feel about the bucket hat. Someone teach me how to wear a bucket hat, because I don't know. I know a lot of people that wear them and they look adorable. I just don't know if it's me. What do you guys think? Does this look cute? If it's like this, does it look cute? I'm going to the beach. See, like this, it kind of looks cute, but I feel like there's a lot of room up here, and if I put it all the way on my head, then it's too tight. Do I flip this bit up? Or do I kind of like it down? I don't know how I feel about this. Let me know what you guys think, but I think they're super cute on other people. I just don't know how I feel about it on me. Next up, I got this adorable little crop top, and this is white, and I have a feeling this is going to be 100% see-through. Definitely have to wear some like nipple pasties on it or something like that, but it's super cute. It's just like a tiny little crop top, and you guys know that I love my crop tops. But no, it really is cute, and I feel like I have a lot of stuff that I can wear this with. I can even wear it with, you know, those biker shorts that I showed you earlier, just as like a kind of like lounging outfit, or I can wear it with the running shorts that I showed you, and that could even be a cute little outfit. And I feel like this would go well with the bucket hat. I just feel like this is just a staple piece that pretty much anyone could use in their wardrobe. It's very cute. I love the band at the bottom. It makes it quite fitted. So I also got this in a U size. I got it in a US 6 as well. It looks teeny tiny. Like it looks like a children's top, but we'll see how it fits. I'm super excited about it. It looks adorable, so let's go ahead and try this on.
All right, you guys, here is that little white crop top. I have to say, this is adorable. I love this, and I will say, it's very boobylicious. So if you have nipple pasties, you 100% need them. I have mine on right now because if I didn't have them on, you could see directly through it. It is definitely see-through and sheer, but it is very comfortable and it's so super cute. You can wear this with anything. You can wear it with blue jeans. I'm wearing this with some black shorts. You can wear it with literally anything. Dress it up, dress it down. It could be like a little, you can even wear it with those running shorts that I showed you a little while ago, or even those biker shorts to have something to lounge around the house in, or you can put some jeans on and like be really cute. I don't know what I'm doing, but this is adorable. I love this top. It's really well made, even though it is a little bit sheer, but it still is super cute, and I definitely like this. I gotta say, we're having a lot of stuff that's wins, and I'm happy about that.
And last but certainly not least, I got a bodysuit. I don't know, is this inside out? And you guys, if you've seen my other haul videos, like me trying other companies like Boohoo and like Nasty Gal and everything, you know that I've tried a few bodysuits and they usually never work for me. So I kind of like every haul I get, I want to try at least a bodysuit or a kind of lounge set because I feel like they're both kind of super hit or miss. But here is one that I thought was super cute. It is a halter, so this ties up here around your neck, and then the bodysuit is kind of open in the back, and it's really cute, and then it has the little thing at the bottom to go in between your legs. You could wear that, you could dress this up or down, you could wear this with jeans, you could wear this even with those little running shorts, you could wear this, I think this kind of feels a tiny bit more fancy, so I probably would wear it with jeans or something, but I have a pair of jeans that are like super 70s that I'm obsessed with right now. They're extremely high-waisted and they just look so 70s, so I might try this on with those jeans and it would just be a look. I'm excited about it. So yeah, let's try this on. I did again get this in a 6, I believe. Yep, I did. And let's try this on and see what we think. I have high hopes for this and I really want it to work.
And you guys, here is the final little, what's this thing called? Bodysuit, that's what it is. Took me like a full minute to figure out the name. This is the bodysuit, and you guys, I'm in love with this bodysuit. These are those jeans that I was talking about. They're like, you can't see this. They're like bell bottoms, they're like flares, and they're so much fun. I feel like I should be going out to a disco right now because I'm loving this outfit. I really do. I like it a lot. And I also have some like white boots that I got from Nasty Gal that I'll do a haul on later. But yeah, that would fit so nicely with this, and I love this outfit. And the bodysuit fits so nicely. Again, I did get it in a 6, just like all my other ones, but it fits so well. I can't wait to get this damn tag out. I have to say, I am extremely impressed with Princess Polly's quality right now. I feel like there's only one thing that I didn't like, and that was the dress, but I'm still on the fence about that. I even put up a poll on Instagram because the more that I looked at it, the more I actually liked it, and I paired it with my Michael Kors boots, and it actually looked really super cute. I don't know what it is. Maybe it's just, I don't know, but let me know what you think about that dress, that like celestial black dress, because I thought it was really cute. It kind of reminded me more of like a t-shirt dress than a dress, and I'm more inclined to wear a t-shirt dress than an actual dress, but let me know. But this is adorable. I love it. It's open back. Yes, I need to tan my back because I put self-tanner on my front, but I can't reach my back, so. But yeah, you guys, that is everything that's in the haul. Let's go ahead and get back onto Sit Down Kenzie, and we'll finish up this video.
And you guys, that is the end. Why do I clap so loud? That is the end of my first time trying Princess Polly. I feel like we had some hits, we had some misses. There were some things that worked out super nicely and things that just didn't work out at all. But yeah, you guys, I feel like I do like this company, so I am going to try more things. If you want to see more hauls or more like fashion try-on videos, something like that, please let me know in the comments because I would love to know that, and I really hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, then go ahead and click up the like button for me and then subscribe if you want to. If you want to see the videos that I post, and when I post them, click the little bell down at the bottom there and make sure you set it to all so that YouTube knows that you want to see my videos. Again, my name is Kenzie. I hope you have a great rest of your day, and I will see you in the next video. Bye-bye!